Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if WhatsApp status videos not playing. So first, you need to close WhatsApp completely. So swipe it up, then swipe it away from the recent apps, then reopen it and see if that works. Next method, you can go to your phone settings, scroll down and go to Wi-Fi and make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. You can also switch to another network, or you can switch from Wi-Fi to data or from data to Wi-Fi.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
Next, go to App Store or Play Store and make sure WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. So search for WhatsApp. So if you see an update button in here, click on it. And once updated, reopen WhatsApp and see if that fixed the issue. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.